The first process, we're gonna make a bookmark with the simple single crochet. Here we're gonna use the same technique with single crochet, and we decrease the stick here to make a triangle and a chain, and at last we make a face at the tail. So let's get started. Now we chain 8, and we make a simple single crochet into the chain 7. Put the hook through the yarn here and make a single crochet and continue to the end. And at the end, you chain 1 and turn over, and this is your first stick here. You see? Okay, so put the hook under the 2 yarn here and pull through. Pull through. Remember to count the stick. We have total 7 stick. 1, 2, 3. And at the end of the chain, you will see the final stick here. Okay, and 7 stick, and you chain 1 and turn over. This is your first stick, and continue with the same technique, single crochet. Total 7 stick. Chain 1 and turn over. And continue to repeat to the length that you like. Now I make it. Now you chain 1, turn over, and we start to decrease the chain to make the triangle. Put through the hook, the first chain, pull over, and the second chain, and pull through on the 3, and then chain 1, single crochet, and chain 1, single crochet, and the last 2 sticks we make the same. Pull through, and one more, yarn over, pull through the 3. And now we decrease 2 sticks already, and then you chain 1, turn over, and continue. have 2 sticks. Chain 1. And finish. Now we need the chain. I'm gonna make 20. Use the scissors to cut the yarn. Okay. At first, you hide the yarn here. Be careful because it has many small sticks. Okay, so hide it under, sew it under the yarn. Okay, I'm gonna cut it.